Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the pressure switch hose on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because your washer is overfilling and the hose is damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT20 star bit and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. First thing we're going to do is we're going to shut the water off. And now we're going to get our washer turned around. And now we're going to disconnect the hoses. So we're going to use a pair of channel locks and turn them. And you might also want to make sure you have either towels or a bucket standing by, because there will most likely still be water in your lines. The next thing we're going to do is remove our drain hose to get that out of the way. So we're just going to use the channel locks here and squeeze that clamp and shift it down a bit. There we go. And then we can just take the hose and take that off. So now I have to get this back panel off, and in order to do that I've got to remove all the screws around the edge here, minus the ones that are inside those little cutouts, as well as these two right here. And as we take out this last screw, you're going to want to be careful and make sure that the panel doesn't fall out on you. And now what we can do with all the screws out, is we take the panel and pull it off. So you can see right here, this is going to be our pressure switch hose, and it goes all the way up into our pressure switch. So what we need to do is we need to remove the hose. So I'm going to just reach up in here and we'll pull the hose down off of our switch first. And once we got that off, we'll detach it from there and we can get it off of our tub. And what I'm doing is just twisting it a little bit as I pull. If it's tight on there, you might need to do that in order to get it off. And you don't want to twist it too much and break it and get a piece stuck on there, but just like you're unscrewing it. There you go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement pressure hose. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And so now what we're going to do is attach the hose to the tub here first. Just about there. Seems like that's about it. So now we'll go back up and we'll put it into this clip right here that's holding the other one. And feed it up. And back to the pressure switch. Pressure hose here, and reattach it to the switch. It just pushes straight on like that. Now I'm going to put the back panel back on like so, and that'll just go up, and you'll want to line up at least a couple of the holes on top to start with, and we'll get these two holes started on top. Now we'll put the drain hose back on. That's just going to go up and push it on all the way like so. And just move that cord out of the way now. So we can get a clamp there and raise that up. There we go. And now we can reattach our water hoses. Now we can turn the water back on, make sure there's no leaks, and plug everything else in. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.